Hi everyone, Mike Murcko, Doctor of Physical Therapy and Certified Practitioner of Functional Nutrition for Chronic Pain. Here today I want to talk to you about the value of using herbs and spices when you're seasoning for your food and why exactly it's helpful. Inflammation is a big buzzword today, but in very short, a lot of these herbs and spices are really powerful anti-inflammatories, and they're anti-inflammatories in the sense that they actually get after the root of the problem. When you're inflamed, something like ibuprofen can be very helpful in the short term, but in the long term, there's a whole list of side effects that come with abuse of things like ibuprofen when it doesn't fix the problem in a very short period of time. Things that I have over here, spices and herbs such as turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and shout out to Golden Harvest in Rhinelander, which is my favorite store in the Northwoods, an easy place to find any of these things that you're looking for. All of these things, when combined in regular meals that you're already cooking, can be helpful for limiting inflammation. If you have any questions about herbs and spices or want more information, leave a comment below and be happy to talk to you about it. Thanks.